An absolute interesting day for the markets is what we've witnessed, because we actually reversed the kind of losses that we saw in the first half of the trading session, where it picked up steam in the last hour of trade and ended almost near the day's highest levels. Nifty ended above the 18,800 level, whereas if you see Sensex gained almost 260 points, which was mainly led by auto, power as well as the realty players. If you see in terms of markets, clearly 150 point, little over that kind of a recovery from the day's lowest levels we saw in terms of Nifty 50, whereas a little over 400 points recovery from the day's lowest levels is what we've seen from Bank Nifty in today's session. In terms of sectoral indices as well, majority of them ended in the green, and the broader markets saw gains of around 0.5%. Tata Motors hit a 7-year high in today's session, and it was the top gainer on Nifty 50, followed by HCL Tech, HDFC Life Power Grid, as well as Eicher Motors. In fact, comments from Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari, something which gave a boost to a couple of counters in the auto ancillary space as well. On the losing end, Bajaj Twins were the top losers, followed by Sun Pharma, BPCL, as well as DVs. Insurance stocks advanced in today's session, so HDFC Life, ICICI, SBI. You had diagnostic chains as well as hospital companies, the healthcare companies were advancing in trade as well. In terms of the newsmakers, Bharti Airtel was in focus as well for an IoT solution that they would be providing. Piramal Enterprises gained the most in the last 4 months. Timken tumbled after 10% after their foreign promoter actually offloaded 10%. Subros hit a 60-month high as Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari has mandated AC driver compartments for truck drivers. So strong moves coming in for the other AC makers as well. IFL tumbled in trade after SEBI has taken a ban on taking new clients for IFL securities. HDFC AMC, on the back of a large block deal, was in focus. Indico was in focus as well. And you had a brokerage which is overweight on the counter. BEL on the back of an order win. And you had a Bank of Baroda. JP Morgan has an overweight rating, and you have a Container Corp as well, which actually dropped the most after a Kotak rating cut. So a lot of newsmakers in trade today, but the highlight of the day was the markets, the kind of recovery and the kind of buying that we saw at lower levels.